Break me off. Break me off once again. Just arrived on the shore of Mayan, our ancestors. Wonderful history here.
You make it.
We
You make it.
made it. We made it. We made it. We
We
made
make
it. We made it. We made it. We made it, my people. We made it. We have arrived. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it on the shores of Balasol. Wow. We made it. We went up. We made it, but we made it, my people. We made it. Yeah. Yes, we made it. Mate? Oh yes, my people, look. These are live. Yes, there's still human bones here. There's human bones here, ladies and gentlemen.
Do not touch it.
There's human bones right there. Human bones, right? More human bones right here. Aye. This is real. It's a part of human. It's a shallow grave. I know, I like it. Yeah. This is it, man. This is Balisol. Balisol. Mati, hold my son, Mecca. Where we got there again? Let's see that again, Mati. What's that? Huh? I'm gonna make the hear me low. I'm gonna get the mic. Get my mic.
Is it chocolate? Chocolate. Let me.
Mic up, Mateo. Mic up. This is my first time in Pakistan.
Thank you very much.
So, this is my first.
Just hold it in your hand. That's a mic.
Just hold it.
Yeah.
This is my name is Carlos Gamboa. I'm a community leader within the Garifuna diaspora. and this is my first time here, and it was a treacherous trip to get here, and I can only imagine how my ancestors had to go through this, just to get to here, much less be taken from here under extreme sadness and pain and take us to another country of Roatan. But I'm getting chills just being here. My hairs are standing right now, and I was able to see some fragments of bones that over here and as well as over there, and these are our ancestral bones. But we met with the government of St. Vincent on Thursday, the Prime Minister, the Minister of Culture, the Minister of Heritage, and as well as the Minister's advisor. We gave them a plan that the diaspora had worked on from June all the way to September, and they gladly accepted it. And it talks about doing archaeological studies, business plans, community center, learning center, museums, because this plan is probably going to take about anywhere from 5 to 10 years. Funding, actuarial studies. So it's sad. It's sad, but Baliso is a sacred site for us, and it has to remain that. It has to remain as a sacred site for the next generation and other generations to come in to do pilgrimage, and as well as know and study what our ancestors went through. And that also goes to all of the people from St. Vincent to really know the historical aspect of more than 5,000 that arrived here and more than 2,400 that died. This is their history as well. So thank you very much.
Arnold, let me hear a little bit from you, man. Is this your first time here?
Yes.
Man, how does it feel? How does it feel to be, in a place like this?
Man, it's like Carlos mentioned, it's very emotional. I'm very emotional right now. It's been a wonderful experience. Just as far as just being here, being present. The ride here to Bali Soul from mainland was not an easy ride at all. It was definitely treacherous and very scary. But in that moment, I really got to sink in and hone into the the feeling of just being here, just getting a little glimpse of what our ancestors went through in our voyage, and I'm just grateful for the strength and the tenacity that our ancestors had to get us to where we are now, because it's because of them and their strength and their tenacity that we are able to be here and to come back today. So I just sit here in gratitude, man. I'm just thanking God, thanking the ancestors for allowing me to be here and allowing me to feel a glimpse of what they felt, so that I can never take what I have now for granted.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very, very, very heartful, very, thoughtful expression. I appreciate you for being here as well. Telling people how you feel. Hope everybody could have a chance to be here someday. Thank you very much. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. I could never imagine. I could never imagine being here again. My great grandfather and mother was here. Now I'm back here. Man, this place is so emotional. Look at all the rocks. How can you survive this? Oh. And thank you very much, man. So, we are here. Right? Thank you very much for tuning in. This is, Zaluna, look at the bones, man. Look at the bones. This. Yeah. It's starting to rain. Now we are getting wet. Don't worry about the rain. This is a bone, not human bones, right? These are not that bone, not that human bone. Right here. washed up on the shores of Palisade. It's like a young person bone, right? Every young human bones right there in Palisade. It's windy, it's starting to rain. It's not it's a sad feeling. You know. Wow.
So I'm going to do a wide angle here for everyone to see. So this is due to erosion. You can actually see the erosion here, and this island is susceptible to hurricanes and everything, and heavy rain. So due to erosion, you can now see how these bones are beginning to show up. This looks like
a young person bone.
Yeah, femur, and that's
yeah, it is a femur.
It's a femur. You
yeah,
can see the ball
for the hips.
Part there, yeah.
For the hips, right?
Yeah. So this is something that has to be addressed, and I know that this government will be involved in addressing it. You know, in terms of an archaeological study, in terms of where all these bones are at, using satellite imaging and superimpose these images so we can see it, just like they did in Namibia, and as well as magnetometer studies so we can understand where they are, as opposed to digging up everything. We can pinpoint where these bones are at. But the ones that are here, you can see it. These are definitely human remains.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Carl. I must say, for those who are watching the live right now, all right, we are blessed because of our ancestors. Right?
Yes,
we are blessed. I mean, they made that sacrifice for us to be where we are today. I mean, this is so incredible.
I look at this, you know, these are the lost generation that never made it. Whoever these fifth generation, fourth generation of our people that didn't make it, so their generation forward aren't here. They became invisible. Now, the ones that survived brought you and I here, you know. You and I here, you know. So over 2,400 of these people, of our people, have perished.
They laid the foundation for us.
Yes, they did.
They laid. Martin, let my people see. You know, I'm really on camera. Only on one time a week, I'm really on camera, my people. But I have to do this special. This is extremely special. If it was, I'm not going to touch it. All right. I still respect my ancestors. I'm going to. Ito hayo. Eya homasa. Eya homa habo wayunabu. Ya Palisade. Hiruti ya gwele. Hiruti Palisade. Wolfu na hisun le hon. No hen hino. Wolf na hisun le hon. No hagambo hamage wayunabu no do hen. Ehebasa. Habu or Tabu Abarahu. Laduga, Euro Gir Abule. Eheba Kasawag. Daha Talu Wondo the leader Abba do hey. Megawatt. Sule Hadugube, why you not go home? No Gabela Wabihi Wabagari Sule Wani Bay Hani. He should go Sule. He should go Sule to him. I ain't Sarago Abu Yahom. Ehomasa Ehoma. La diga legi ro barana. Double Savole. This is a chance of a lifetime, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you tune in lock on 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna radio station. Without my people, without the sacrifices made by my people, we would have no Garifuna radio station right now. Awahati Yagwele, where are you? Kabala Wadaga, Idalubala, Niduhayo. We are here, and we are here to stay. If they could make it, we could make it. We are here to stay. We are here to stay. Well, Mate, I want to say thanks to you too, bro, because then this the proof. This the proof. These are our heroes here in Balisong. This could be one of our great cousin, a great auntie, a great brother and sister. You know? Wow. But I gotta go. I just have to show you that real quick. So go through, take care of yourself, guys. More buns? Yeah. Where is it, Mate? More buns? Where the buns there? Yeah, boy. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. This is it straight from Balisol. This seems like a lead cemetery. Yeah. No, you can't call it a cemetery, man. People just perish. Our people just perish. But the bones, you can see bones scattered. See more bones in the corner. Bones are scattered because of the erosion, right? Bones are scattered all over this island. Bones are scattered. Still here after 200 odd years. More bones. Lot of bones fragments, see? More bones, see? See? Or zoom in it, see? It's a bone. See bone here? All right. We still have more people coming off the catamaran boat, right? They got more people coming off. So what they're doing, they're ferrying people across. So they're ferrying people from over here to over here. So I gotta go again. We love you, ayo. But I want me to hear from the Bouye, right? Have a few words from the Bouye. Yeah, man, this is deep. This is deep. We are here for some few people. Right. We are Marano. Yeah, we're going to Musubu again. Musubu more home. We get ya Balesi, the local Balesi. America, Guatemala, Indura. We should go there. Well, I'm going to see this. All right, let's do that. Oh, we're here. No, here. Senor, we are Mariano respect.
Ni don hen yo le anage be flasu ya le da de le hirut memeg le da son dans les gehal be son ahare son ogubule rederu be ya dele wachilere ya recibit ya gundel recibit ya hualigol Wagiati kei garinago. Lutima wichugo hualigo lule yabe. Abakate narihi na sandiro lo wagarani ha. Lo wichugo weirigo ni lo satuye. Lo mama regla warengo aubo amurno. Agendo guali. Aba la rederu ya large lagendo go hawago wawago. Aba la faroni. Aba hanugun wa yahu lo hoego. Yudu goga ya lugyana bela awan halaya. Aba lowe bungi usuntiga bafu wawago. Aba lowe satuye wawago. Memek. Hiruti marati no reiti golega large lagendo go satuye wawago large la faruni wa wawago wagendo gwate wama wagwale awahate adaragwa wamogwa Luwa yabiya hasu wanugni tilurudu wadabe bari amuri hawa maferudu wama wagu uwa me wahabo luwagani wamuri hame ferudu luma sunti gabafu ulamuga huwaligwo to lafrugu lalmate satuye halmate sowu guriya ha owe gubaya wawag abate wichu ni go oweiri guni hong giara lamuga wayabiya ichiga huwaligo honge hani bagare big diya bay habuga erede rubaya ya lugondo gas gereti yage aha wagiya aba wodi Lida vio uwolde Ondora Balis Labuga Frumeniabi Memege Lida narihini Casa Funawago Yarafa Guatemala Bay Wege Ondora ge Labuga ge Loma Balis ge Belena chiluriya gagana guruguti wegiya mama ligiya mem lugondo lida le wasagarago be yage waguru be yage lidon amu agere wa chilura memege yarafa gwatimati wasigalau yaho lagana gurugali narihaya aniseme memete lugondo legi garifun Ondora hoti wa hudut. Balesi hoti wa hudut. Labuga hoti wa hudut. Noho baruru ya, noho falma ya, but otu hudut. But nihin tagana. Yarafa guate, wa gurun wa yaguru yahu. For this eti, waba. Le, this it. Biti tiluwa yabi yaho lo warufu da haya. Ayahi irahi buseti hafurendero. Bidu meti wondaru lo giara bela. Abalarengo wa Padre Yeris Valentine. Ma templo la garifun. Gadabe bari wama. Arense la Balis, Arense la Honduras, Arense la Guatemala, Guayabiya, Guamuria, lo terenseruno a Aba Wadabi bari. Haforen de Rubati Irahi. Lida ge Wadugago, Dabuya Barug, Haforen de Rub. Haforen de Ruba Uremu. Hafuren de ruba lo hayan hama ayunag. Lo madaga hamame kay wagia anufu de da toy da buyap. Anufu de da hawe wagabru. Gibebe waganyeru aho yibi baba aho yibi da ichiga sobode lida geaba irahu reiti ali da flasule. So le rego be lowo gwabuye. Erense hawama lo warufu daha arani asopahani le wadegago mama son wagia bidu bade walu son kate bongi urgaye bidu lida son le la degbe aha wagia murusu la degale ta murusu la degale londaru mege tiwati wayabi lo garabela warufu daha mama wayabi afedu haya miyabi huma fedu haya sandihu menkala yabe ugwa huma hungwa lo sunkate gadanit sereme binele bugyo hibaga
Jeremy, that's what Mariano was saying, ladies and gentlemen. In a nutshell, we don't come here to celebrate. We supposed to come here, to show homage, give homage to Shatoué, to all of our ancestors that been here today. It's time for us to come together as a people. Like Jerry's Valentine saying, our temple, Dabuyeba. We gotta come back. We gotta come back. Teach your young people, teach your young children in the Dabuyeba. They will learn a superhan. They will learn how to pray. They will learn how to eat their own food. They will learn love inside the Dabuyeba. They will learn about the medicine. They will learn about the language. They will learn Garifuna Duo inside our temple, inside our Dabuyeba. So I want to say thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. Serem Hawaii Home Soon Quick Etel to make it tiki Bukarada, Yara Dangriga, Yara Loba Balisi, Yara Wadimalu, Yara Indura, Wagia Tale, DYFA, Wabagari Radio, 91.7 FM.